Introducing the 2026 Cupra Terramar V1 Ehybrid 204 horsepower DSG in sleek black. With a powerful 1.5-litre engine and a petrol plug-in hybrid electric fuel type, this automatic estate Jeep is a true standout. Packed with comfort and accessories like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and wireless charging, this vehicle keeps you connected and comfortable on the road. Safety features such as collision avoidance braking and multiple airbags ensure a secure ride. With features like roof rails and spoiler, the styling is top-notch. This car also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer serviced, and a comprehensive warranty. Contact us at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details and take this beauty for a spin today.